Good morning. This is Sangeeta Saxena teaching primary classes in RKM CBSE school. As we all know, today's education is child-centered and children love to learn by doing themselves. So in this process, this integrated flat is very useful for both of us, teachers as well as the students. The use of touch screen and along with the network connectivity and make videos make it more versatile and engaging learning tool. This helps the teacher to engage the whole class together by showing them videos, especially when the children are free. I usually use it when in the lunch time when my children are eating food in the class. Children love to learn by watching the videos, solving quizzes and doing the worksheet. It makes my chapter very much interesting and make the learning